let me show you how I made this cheesy, creamy corn casserole. So my friend taught me how to make corn casserole, which I love. So I thought I'd do something a little bit different. And this one is a bit cheesy, a little bit of spice to it with the jalapeno, and it is super delicious and easy to make. Actually, I didn't think corn casserole was that easy to make. So let me show you what you'll need and how to make it. But before I get started, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and let's go. To make this, you will need creamed corn. I bought the creamed corn. You need kettle corn. You will need seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like, but I am using the Creole seasoning, some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. So use whatever seasoning you'd like. You'll need sour cream. You'll need the cornmeal. For cheese, I'm using Gruyere cheese and cheddar cheese. You'll need some butter, eggs, and some cream, table cream. If you don't have table cream, you could use heavy cream, but table cream, you'll find table cream. Find table cream, find it. It's easy to find it. So these are the things that you will need. If you don't like Gruyere and cheddar goes great together. If you don't like these two and Gouda, you can change it up. Use whatever cheese that you like, but these are the cheeses that I like. So these are cheeses I'm using. So in your bowl, you will add the corn. So once you add the corn and the creamed corn, we're gonna go ahead and it's really easy. Just really add everything together and mix it well, and then you throw it in the oven. Super easy. So add the creamed corn and the curdled corn in the bowl, followed by the sour cream and the table cream. I'll show you the type of table cream that I'm using. I'm using the sour cream from Daisy, or whichever sour cream that you like, and that's like the one of the most popular one. I've never actually seen other brands besides this one and then the store brand ones. Not a lot of competitions. It's crazy. Wow, now that I thought about it, I should come out with a sour cream brand. This is the table cream I'm using, so you'll find that Walmart, most grocery stores carry it, so use that table cream and go ahead and add the table cream, and use, I don't like to use pre-shredded cheese, but if you want to use cheese that already shredded, it's up to you. But I like to shred my own cheese. And the jalapeno will give it that nice, delicious little heat. So I have here some pickled jalapeno. Go ahead and chop it up really nicely and then put it into the bowl. I will say it's not gonna be spicy because the jalapeno don't really have any seeds in them. It
Jail
just
for
give it a
four
subtle
days
hint.
leading up
It's
to
not
this moment.
spicy at
The
all.
police
But
were
if you want it to be
sure
spicy, go
Etta
ahead
had
and add some
something
pepper
to
flakes in
do
there,
with the
or
savage
add
murder of
a
a
lot
dark
more
skinned
jalapeno,
area,
whichever
but they
you like.
really
But
didn't understand
it's not
what
going to
role
be
she could play.
like
In
spicy because
fact,
there are no seeds in there. So add it in there, and then we're going to season. As I mentioned, I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, sazon, um, I'm sorry, Creole seasoning, some black pepper, and a little bit of salt for the spices. Make sure you've added the egg. I made that mistake. I almost forgot to add my eggs. Add one egg. You need to add one egg because the egg is going to hold everything together. Okay? So once you do that, add your melted butter, and then you add your cheeses and mix well. Give this a nice mix, and and then go ahead and add your cheeses to it. If you have not shredded them, which we will be doing next, we're gonna shred our cheese and add the shred cheese to the mixture. So once you add your cheese, and then now we're going to add the corn flour, the cornmeal. After you added all the cheese and everything else, add the cornmeal and then mix it really well. And you'll need to butter up a pan. If you're using a pan, I am using my mini pan from our place. I love that little mini pan. It's so good. I don't have to butter it because it's already non-stick, but I still buttered the pan and then add the mixture to the pan. I sprinkled some more cheese on top and then I baked it in the oven on 350 for 25 to 30 minutes, or until you see it's beautiful golden brown. Don't overbake it because you don't want it to be dry, because it should still be really moist and nice. And this, my friend, is the final product. It was really good, very cheesy. I will say that I prefer the sweet one over the savory one. I know. I think the sweet one is better. But this one was good. But the sweet one is my preference. I love that one better. But if you like cheesy, you like savory better, so go ahead and try that. And let me know what you think of this video. Leave a comment in the description box below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out my website. If you'd like to support me, if you can, I will link it right here. You can subscribe to my recipe website where I share my written recipes. It's a really nice little thing. If you want to support me there, if you can, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Be sure to like it. Thank you. Bye bye.